In this video, I'll show you how to install Megapari in iPhone. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. So if you come over to here and you search Megapari, you're going to realize that the code you are not going to see the application. Alright, I already see the application here. But if you don't see the application, just come over here, click on your account details, and you come over to country origin. Please follow attentively. Go out to country, change country, and then go ahead and choose India. Once you choose India, you're going to come on agree, and the first option you're going to choose none. Allow your account details. In the streets, you're just going to put any random details, anything that makes sense. And then in the city and town, just also put any random detail. And then in state, just choose a random state that makes sense to you. And then the postcode, that's where you're going to put in the code. This number 100,000, and then the phone number you're going to use the number 1122334555. And that is done, just click on next and done. Click next. So you come back here and search Megapari and scroll down. Here's the application. Just go ahead and click on Git and you are good to go. That's how to download the application on iOS device.